Monroe County Health Director says Monroe County is doing well in the battle against COVID-19, but we are not out of the woods yet. Dr. Michael Mendoza says while only 2% of people in our region are infected right now, no one should let their guard down. And Kayla Green explains why.
Dr. Michael Mendoza says right now the COVID-19 numbers in our region are lower than we've seen in months, which he says is especially impressive considering we've been reopening for the past 7 weeks. He says he is concerned, though, about how spikes in other states will affect us going forward.
I don't think we're out of the woods yet.
Dr. Mendoza says 2% of people in our region are infected with COVID-19.
I think the precautions that we have taken to date have been the reason why, in addition to having a low prevalence, we've not seen the surges here in Monroe County that we saw earlier this spring.
He says the number of people coming in contact with infected people is going up.
It really is person-to-person interaction as best that we can tell. So I want to emphasize it's us as the people, not so much the places that are really ought to be the focus for trying to prevent future spread.
As other states see dramatic increases, Dr. Mendoza says he's implemented a mandatory quarantine for those who traveled outside New York State. This means the county can call and check in daily to see how they're doing.
To anybody who's visiting from other parts of the country, please come enjoy Rochester. But we ask that you, abide by the quarantine for at least those first 14 days.
Dr. Mendoza says he would like to see more people masking now so it pays off later.
I don't see us getting through this without seeing a surge or a bump or a spike in some fashion in these numbers.
Dr. Mendoza says at the end of the day, he's trusting everyone to do the right thing to keep the community safe. He says the health department's focus is on prevention and giving guidance. He says it's best for them to know about new cases as they arise so they can isolate them rather than have unreported cases they aren't able to trace. In Rochester, Kayla Green, News 8.
All right.